Now let's move on to our boss fifth requirement, tracking units sold by country. To do this, we'll use a map visualization. A map is perfect here because it doesn't just show the numbers, it also shows them in a geographical context, making it super easy to understand which regions are performing the best. Each bubble on the map represents the total units sold in that country. The larger the bubble, the higher the sales volume. For example, we can instantly notice higher sales in the United States, Canada, and parts of Europe, while other regions show smaller bubbles, meaning lower contributions. So, with just a quick glance, we can easily see how our sales are distributed globally. As a first step, let's bring in the map visualization. For that, you need to click on the map visualization from here. It had made sure that the height and breadth of this tile is perfect and I don't have to do any changes. I will quickly move to the next step, that is adding data. So in order to add data, I'll make sure that country is being dragged and dropped onto location because I want to see the units sold numbers based on country in the visual map. Now under bubble size, we will move units sold like this. Okay, so now you see that the bubbles are of same size. I will go to format and change the bubble size from here. So in order to do that, you can make sure that the bubble size is based on the data that they have with them. So I will click on data range. I can see that the bubbles size have been changed. You can see the difference based on the size. I will increase the size a bit. So from looking at this, we are able to understand that Canada unit sold is more than America's unit sold, and we have Europe unit sold, which is the second best, and Mexico has less units sold. If you want to see the country's name, as of now we can see just the bubbles and in which country they are in. If you want a clear cut country names, you can have it like this. So Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, United States. So these are the countries for which we have the data on the map visualization. Now let's do some more formatting, that is sum of units sold by country. So remove the sum of as usual, right? So I removed that. Change the formatting to bold, increase the font size to 17, and background should be black. Text color will be white. Okay, now it matches with the other visualizations perfectly. All right, so our map visualization is done. We will move on to our next session, which will be on slices, which will help us make this dashboard little interactive and engaging. So far, the primary or the basic visualizations have been covered, like the multi-row card, then the pie chart or donut chart. Then we covered column chart, bar chart, and now the map visualization. So these are some of the basic visualizations you will see. I will try to cover a few more, and maybe I will try to update the course and try to add few more visualizations. But for now, these visualizations are enough for you to create dashboards that would help you to show the data in a presentable way. So let's see in the next session. Thank you.